Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn more about expression, simplifying expression. Okay, so what does it mean simplifying expression? You can see this expression like this. You got x plus x. So how can you simplify this one? This is the addition between x and h, the variable, right? And this expression a little bit longer, so I will using the multiplication for shorten writing for this expression. You got h times h plus h, this means 2h. So another way or another question, you got h plus h equal to, can you guess, 1, 2, 3, 3 times, so you got 3 plus h like this. Okay, so one more time, you got h plus h plus h plus h 4 times. So the shortened way for write out this one is 4 times way. So after simplifying expression, you have the same answer but shortened way for writing. So okay, so that's why I'm calling this one is simply simplifying like this expression. Okay, from the longer way for writing expression, you have a shortened way. So that's why we call it simplifying. So look at this more clearly. You got h plus h equal to 2h. So why you have number 2 here? Okay, very easy. You can guess. You got 1h here and 2h here. So you got 2 here, 1 here, and 2 here, 3 here. So you got 3h. 1 in this one, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. So that's why you got 4. So another way for understand more clearly about this expression is you got h plus h. It means you got 1 times h plus 1 times h. 1 times h plus 1 times h. So you have the coefficient of h is 1. So you can guess or you can take factorizing. You take h outside the bracket and you got 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's why you got 2h in here. Okay, another way for the second expression, you got h plus h plus h. So for h here, you got 1 times h, 1 times h, and 1 times h. Okay, so that's why I can take factorizing h outside and you got h plus h plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that's why you got 3h in here. So why do you have to care about this question? Because I will give you another question with harder level. Something like 2 times h plus 3 times h. So when you guess the result, you got 2h plus 3h. So what is the result for this simplifying expression? Can you guess? You can see here you got 2 and 3. So very easy. They add together, you will got 5 times h like this. Okay, 5h is right answer. But another way for understand more about this expression, you can see it like this. I will take h outside because h is the same. For this one, for this term, I have h. For the second term, I have h. So I will take h outside. You got inside the bracket, you got 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. That's why I'm got here is 5h. That's why I'm got here is 5h. Okay, so another way for understand more about simplifying is mean you have to know about the factorizing. The common factor will be outside the bracket, and the inside the bracket, that's operation of coefficients number. Yep. So from that you can understand more about this one, 2h minus 3h like here. So maybe I will see the h, or maybe I'm just focused on the number. You got minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 equal to minus 5. So that's why I'm got here is minus 5h. So another way for write out the answer for this question, you can write down it like this. I see that the common factor is h. I'm taking outside and you got 2h minus 3 here. So minus 2 minus 3, you got minus 5. So x times minus 5, x times minus 5 is mean minus 5 times x, like this. Okay, here is a problem. Here is a problem. So a lot of my students write down this result like this. And this is the wrong way for writing this equation or this expression, because you have x times minus 5. So minus 5 is doesn't normal number. You have to put it inside the bracket for easier understand. So x times minus 5 is mean minus 5, you have to put it inside the bracket. And then the next step, I will put minus 5 in front of x like this. So for this writing, I don't need to rewrite the bracket anymore, but for this one, the negative number stand behind. So that's why I have to put it inside the bracket. Yeah, for the next writing, the second writing, minus 5 times x, okay, you don't need to rewrite the bracket. Yeah, hope you can understand more about this one. And for the next exercise, you got 7 and 2x like this. So I see that the common factor is x, I put it outside, and 7 plus 2 inside the bracket, and then I got 9, x is my final answer. Okay, of course, you can understand that's very quicker, and then you can write down the final result is 9 times x like this. It doesn't matter. This is one way for understanding, and this is another way for understanding, and both of them give you the same answer, so that doesn't matter which one will you choose. Okay, so a little bit harder for simplifying expression. You can see it like this: 9 times y plus 2 times y and plus y. So what does it mean y here? Only y. What does it, the y here will tell you about the number. We have no number here, only y, but you have to understand that this is 1y, because y, 1 times y equal y. So have 3 number, 9, 2, 1. So 9, 2, 1, you got 12y will be the final answer for this expression. Understood? Okay, so this one is 10x minus x plus 5x. Okay, how about this one? And I can see here you got 3x. You got 3 terms, and each term have x factor. So another way for write down this one, I will write down 1x for easy understanding or calculation. 10 minus 1 plus 5. 10 minus 1 plus 5 is 14x. 14x. Okay, very easy, right? Another question. You got 7m minus 2m and plus m. So 7 times m minus 2 times m and plus 1 times m. So 7 minus 2 plus 1. 7 minus 2 plus 1 is mean 5 plus 1, you got 6. 6 times m like this. 6 times m like this. Okay, that is not difficult, right? Another harder question. How can you work with this one? I've got 9 plus m plus 3 and plus 2m. Okay, so sorry, this is 3m. How can you work with this one? I want give you one more hint. You have m is variable and you have constant number. You got 2 constant number. Constant number is mean you have only number with no variable stand together. So that's why I have 9 and 3 is constant number. So because they are the constant number, I can put them stand together like this. And 3 times m plus 2 times m like this. 9 plus 3 is mean 12. 9 plus 3 is mean 12. And then 3 times m plus 2 times m, you got 5 times m like this. So for this question, you cannot write down is 17 times m. A lot of my students give me this answer, because they think that 12 plus 5 in here and equal to 17. So that's why they have 17 plus 17 times m. No, that's not right answer. Very, very carefully about this one. That is not right answer. No, no, no. So the final answer, you have only this. Constant number and 5m with variable. More exercise about this question. You got 3 plus 2x minus 2 plus 5x. Okay, so where is constant number and where is variable? You can rearrange for this one like this. 3 here and negative 2. And then you got 2 variable, 2x plus 5 times x like this. The first thing you have 3 minus 2, you got 1. Another one you got 7x because you got 2x plus 5x. So that's why you got 7 in this one. Okay. Another one, 9y minus 5 plus 3y minus 2. So I should rewrite it first. The first thing I know is 9y, and the next term have to be 3y. In front of 3y you got plus, so you got right down here is plus y. In front of 5 you got minus 5. In front of 2 you got minus 2. So look at this. The number, the sign in front of 5 in here still be in front of 5. The number, the position, the plus sign in front of 3y is still be here, and the minus sign in front of 2 in this term still be here. You have to keep unchanged the sign in front of that term. The sign in front of that term, you should not change that. Okay, so after that you got here is 9y plus 3y, it means 12y. The next term, minus 5 minus 2 is very easy. You got minus 7. You got minus 7. Okay. Next step, you have 10 plus 8x minus 5 minus 4x. So how can you work with this one? Look at it. You have a two constant number. Yeah, 10 and 5. So what is the 5? What is the sign here? Plus or minus? Look at this. You have the sign in front of 5 is minus. In front of 5 is minus. So in front of 5 for this one you also put minus sign here. So how about 8x? In front of 8x you got plus. So that's why in front of 8x in here you have to put again plus in front of 8x. So the next term you got minus 4x. You have minus sign in front of 4x. So for the second line you have to keep it unchanged. Okay, 10 minus 5 you got 5, and 8x minus 4 is mean plus 4x. So that is my final answer for this question. Yeah, okay, so this is a little bit longer than as you can see, but I think that it should not difficult. You have only two forms. The first form is the expression only have variable with coefficient, and the second form you have variable with constant number. That's all. Okay, that's all. So it's quite easy. So don't forget practice the test after this video for get it more understanding. Thank you so much.